同学们，你们好！今天和老师学习写汉字。Hello everyone! Today in this tutorial, together with me, we are going to study Chinese characters. Lesson 2, Part 1. Ding, ding. Ding, you can see this character actually from the originally from the Asian character looks like a nail. So this is the very early version and later on changed the form to be this one. These Asian characters still look quite similar to today's squared simplified character. During the ancient time, there were not so many characters, so one character may present more than one meaning. For example, this character at that time may shows the meaning as a surname or as a sound or even as a nail. But today, for the meaning of a nail, we already have another character, and for the sounds of ding, we have another character. And so this character at this moment, today, it remains the meaning as a surname, as the name exists in our text. Ding Li Bo. Dao, Dao, from the picture of a knife, and today it still means knife or dagger. So we can see this is a picture of an Asian dagger, which was buried in an Asian tomb and now displayed in a museum. And you can see the picture, right? The very early Chinese character, the pictographic character. This part is the bar, the handle of the knife, and these parts from the shape of the blade. And the very early character later on changed the form a little bit like this. So today we make a square simplified version as Dao. So this is knife. Dao still keep the original form from the picture. Yo, from the picture of a hand, and especially a right hand. So you can see this is the Asian character, and there are fingers together with the palm. So especially the right hand, if it's a left hand, more or less still the same shape, but the fingers are here and the palm at the other side. So this yo, originally it shows more than one meanings. For example, it means the right hand side, or a hand, or again. But today, this character shows the meaning as again. So talking about the hand, we already have another expression, which is 手, another character, and we also have another character showing the meaning as right, which is 右. But please remember today, right, this 右 means again, but originally it's from a picture of a hand. So in some combined characters, if you see any component looks like the 右, so maybe it's about a hand. For example, in this character, it's read as 双, and you can see one hand and the other one, two hands. Simply put them together, duplicate. So this combined character means double or a pair. For example, a pair of shoes, 一双鞋, a pair of mitten, 一双手套, 双. And please follow this instruction, right? The order of strokes to write this character. Sorry. And another combined character, you can see this is a hand, right? For sure. And above the hand, it's a cross. So look at the original character. It's a hand, and in the hand, actually, this structure presents a branch, or maybe a hammer, or maybe an X. But generally in the hand there's a something, so people may use a branch or a hammer to do something. And as for 知 today, we can understand the meaning as a point or separate, right? For example, one person holding a branch, right, and try to separate a group of sheep, a group of cows, right, and I try to appoint them, try to let them to go different directions, right, and that's meaning we can use 支配, right? So generally this structure, and please understand as a hand holding something to do some kind of work. And you can see in other combined characters this structure try to comprehend the meaning as well. This one 大, right? 大, from our expression everyone should know 大就是 big, right? So originally it's a picture of a man, and this man is stretching out to show the meaning as being big. And today in the squared simplified character, you can still see it keeps the original form from the Asian picture. And if we put 大 above it, we put 横 above it, so you can understand the 一 above 大. In this character, you can think of the original picture. So this is a person stretching out, and one mark to highlight the meaning what I show is above the person. So during the ancient time, what is the thing above person, above people, human being? Then it's the sky, right? Because Asian people, there was no construction, no modern construction for sure. So and then there are no aircraft, of course. So this is 天 above the person, highlight the parts above the person. What I mean is the parts above human being, so it's the sky. So today when we mention one day or sky, we still use this character. For example, if it's look at the sky, 看天, and one day 一天, Sunday 星期天. 口 from the expression we already know it means mouth, right? 我家有一口人. So 口呢, apparently it's from the picture of a mouse, and it's a picture of a smiling mouse, right? And you can see the wedges of the mouth, so it's a smiling, open up. And to write this character, please follow the instruction, right? 3 strokes. And in combined characters, we can see this 口 as a part of the character, as one component. So if in combined character you see a 口, most probably it presents a meaning as a sound, or present the meaning as has something to do with the mouth. For example, this character read as 刀, right? 刀 meaning 刀, right? DAO. 刀, and it's imitating the nagging sound. And this one 吗 is the questioning sound. 你好吗? So 口 means it's a sound, and it sounds like 马. Or it means has something to do with the mouth. For example, to eat, 吃, to drink, 喝, to swallow, 吞, you need to use mouth. So this is the character of 口. After this, 土 now originally it's a picture showing that there is a ground, and above ground it's something. So something above the ground, maybe it's the hemp of soil. So later on, the form changes a little bit. Still there's a ground, but the something people use a cross to present it. So it means it's a ground, something above it. And this object maybe is made from soil or hemp of soil. So today this character still means soil or earth. And we can see if we put a 口 and a 土, combine them together, call at the left hand side denotes the meaning, meaning it's a sound. And how does it sound like? It sounds like 土. So the combined character read as 土. The meaning of it is something to do, maybe it's a sound as a 土, or most probably it's something to do with a mouth. Then it means spitting out. Right? So that's for today. Thank you everyone.